Alright, we're gonna do a quick walk around 97 Nissan hardbody, and there's a noise I'm hearing when I turn on the key. Want to see if y'all could help me out on 107,000 original miles. I got it with 84,000. Nice and clean, but if y'all hear this when I turn the key on, hear that? Sounds like a CD changer almost. But it runs fine, and no engine lights or anything. I'm wondering if it's this. But all I've done to it so far is plugs, wires, cap, and rotor. It needed a radiator when I got it, battery, of course, and both oxygen sensors. And I've had it about a year and a half. It says pretty clean. The only thing I don't like is the guy I got it from decided to sand the clear coat and all that off. So I wet sanded it, starting with 800 last weekend, worked my way up to 2,000, then polished it out. I don't like the low rider etched glass, so I need a solid back window, and I got some spots like that. Overall, it's pretty clean though. He did the torsion bars with a block and didn't DRs, but took a spring out of the leaf pack. That I backed into my buddy's truck, ranch hand bumper on a lifted ram. That didn't go well. Another fix, if anybody knows, this likes to pop open like that as soon as I take off and hit a bump. It's annoying as hell. And then of course this is where he sanded it down, but it shined out pretty good. But yeah, I was kind of curious what might be making that noise. That's just compound from when I went over it, but I'm wondering what's making that noise. Next thing I'm gonna do is replace all the vacuum lines. Need to get a new air filter for it, but other than regular maintenance, man, this thing's 120 mile a day round trip to work 5 days a week. 97. Got tilt cruise, automatic, which I don't care for. AC, all that stuff, seats clean. Basic no frills model kind of. But let me know if any of y'all know what that noise may be when I turn the key off and on. See if I can hear it from up here. Yeah, if y'all can hear that and help me out, I appreciate it.